Hey y'all, we made it to our hotel room. So let me give y'all a quick tour. So here is the door. Come straight to the bathroom. Me and my sister sharing rooms. Oh, what was that? This is the bathroom. Let me zoom out. Okay, there we go. Nice. Little toilets. I love the shower. I love hotels with shower doors. Baby, and they got a bench. Oh, this is like a 2-people shower. And it's so clean. It's really clean. I mean, I'm gonna still do my sanitation and stuff, but it's very clean. Okay. All right, then we got the double queens. Then here we got the entertainment center. And then little desk. And y'all, the lady hooked. And then she hooked us up, y'all, with a view. So let's look at the view. Oh, nice. So she told us, oh, we got a view of the Eiffel Tower. That's where we're supposed to have breakfast at, I think, on Friday, under the Eiffel Tower. We have the view of the Eiffel Tower. She hooked us up, y'all. Let me try to get it for y'all.
It's hard. You gotta turn this lamp off. Turn this lamp off. Okay.
I'm gonna have to just tilt the phone.
Yeah, you have to.
Oh my goodness. So y'all, we are staying in the Paris hotel. This window is dirty. I'm sure it's the outside. But y'all can see it's the pool. She gave us an upgraded view. And you can see the hotel sign.
We should have took a picture of her.
I remember her name is MJ.
No, I remember her name.
And they're gonna see this palace. That's where we're going to go to the steakhouse on Friday. So it's very close. We are in Walmart getting a few items. We're running a little bit behind, but it's cool. But running in the Walmart getting a few items, and then we're gonna head back to the hotel room so we can clean up and get some dinner in our bellies and chill for the rest of the night. What are y'all getting, like sodas and stuff? And
I feel like a little small soda can. I'm just saying in general. I don't know.
alright, y'all. It's Thursday, day 2 in Vegas, and we are headed out for our first activity. What's that? Oh, cake vending machine. We're headed to the bus stop for our Hoover Dam tour. We got our matching shirts. We'll take a picture so y'all can see what everybody's shirts say. We good Vegas. Oh, there's another good shot. But we walking through the hotel. We have to meet at the Horseshoe bus stop to get picked up for our tour. So that's where we walking now. I think our tour is like 4 hours. Okay, what did it say up there? I don't see nothing. I know. Was that wet? Like,
We got the time.
I know. A lot of smoke. Okay.
Make sure we let finish your shirt.
Huh? Oh. She's my shirt. We gotta make sure we get a picture. Okay, let me turn the thing around. Oh, we right here?
What is it?
Oh, we doing a show.
Is that ours?
They go to monorail.
Oh, yeah.
It's passing, I think.
Basically, you get to see the city then.
Well, not the city, but the strip. Yeah, we gotta get a picture. Ask him, can he take a picture in front of the truck? Use your phone. Put these crackers in my bag. In front of the truck real quick. Put it inside the bag where your popcorn is.
Snacks with you, feel free to munch away.
Thank you.
One thing you do need to know though, on part of this tour, which takes you down inside the dam, because of rodents, the potential for rats and mice, they don't allow food on that part of the tour.
Okay.
Only water. Water inside the dam on that part of the tour today. Our goal is to have you get to see the power plant and turbine rooms, which are really the heart of the dam, so to speak. So, save yourself a trip to London, go ride this one. A little higher at the top. Yep. Now, to be fair, in 2017 we did have 6 inches of rain, very unusual, but normally we average out at about 4 inches a year, and most of that in the winter. Except for one called Gilcrease Orchard. It's really a glorified pumpkin patch for Halloween. But believe it or not, it's such an oddity to have a farm in this part of the United States. Well, our children take field trips from school to go to Gilcrease Orchard so they can learn about where food really comes.
So before I play y'all some more music and I let y'all enjoy the scenery, I just wanted to say that our tour guide, he was really great. He was very knowledgeable. He was too knowledgeable, actually. He gave us some information that we really didn't need to know. But overall, it was such a great tour. The name of the company that we went through, if you didn't see it on the truck, it was called the Pink Jeep Tour. So basically, we paid for them to come pick us up, take us to the Hoover Dam. Basically, the whole trip was 4 hours. It's like a 30-minute drive. If you've never been, it's like a 30-minute drive from the strip. And then you get a few hours to tour the Hoover Dam, tour the power plant that y'all see coming up. And then we had a little bit of time to eat lunch. Overall, we enjoyed it. It was very hot, I might add. It was very, very hot this day. So we got exhausted pretty quick. But nonetheless, we enjoyed ourselves. But I'm going to stop talking. I'm going to let y'all enjoy the rest of the scenery. Yes. Y'all want to do a quick one? Yes. How about you?
Take time for the show, we'll print them out. If you want to, you take them.
We're just taking it with see how you come.
Yeah. And be careful with the back.
Is it started?
It's our 7.
I ain't heard it like that before.
Yeah.
Be careful with that, okay? It's not solid.
Oh, okay.
You don't want to...
It is famous as a place, a movie scene. Noise is always loud, there are sirens all around, and the streets are.
I can make it here, I can make it anywhere, that's what they say. Direction, within just enough for position.
So it's gonna be a long video. Oh yeah, it's so neat. I don't want to miss up your video. I gotta get something out of here. I don't know what I'm gonna get. This reminds me of what's the place? They have them. Oh, that almost came Buff City. That's what this reminds me of. Eating come with a bag. I said eating come with a bag.